Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve Passover June series 2021 component 4. So we got Yasmin and Jake share an amount of money, the ratio of 21 to 19. So the total is 40 shares. So Yasmin received 6 more than Jake. So let us find the difference. This is Yasmin, this is Jake. So 21 we minus it by 19, we got S2. So let us find one part is how much. So we got as $6. We divide by 2. So we got as $3 for one part or one share. So we got 40 share. So 40 we multiply by $3. So we got as $120. Okay, in a sale, all prices are reduced by 15%. Yasmin buys a blouse with an original price of $40. Calculate the sale price. So the original price was 40. So we'll minus it by 15% of $40. So you got as $40. This is 15 over 100. So 15% of 40. 15 over 100 multiplied by 40. We cut it. 4. Okay, it's gonna be 60. 60 divided by. Okay, so we got as $40 minus by $6. So the sale price is equal to $34. Next, Jake buys a shirt with a sale price of 29.75. Calculate the original price. So we can find it. So the discount is 15%. So the discount is from the original price. We minus it by the discount, 15%, times with the original price, let's say as price. So it's gonna be 29.75. So we got as 100%. We minus it by 15%, then we by the original price. So 100 we minus it by 15, so we got as 85% per 29.5. So P equal to 29.5 we divide by 85%. So 29.5 we divide by 85%. So we got as the original price equal to $34.7. So here is 34.7, or you can make it to the nearest dollar. Yeah, to the nearest dollar is $35. Okay, B. Xavier salaries increase by 2% each year. In 2010, his salary was 40,100. So this is every year increase 2% from his salary. So this is compound interest, like compounded interest. Okay, so we can get it. The initial salary was 40,100. We multiply by increase by 2%. So 1 plus by 2%. So 2010 to 2015 is 5 years. So with power of 5. So this is 40,100. We multiply by 1 plus by 2%. So we got as 1.02 to the power of 5. We can use a calculator. Power of 5. Then we multiply 40, 100. Okay, so we got as 44. Okay, to the nearest dollar. So this is 44,274. Because here is 44 to 3.6, and here to the nearest dollar is gonna be 44,274. In which year is Xavier's salary first greater than 47,000? 500. Okay, bigger than this amount. Okay, so let's make it here from 2015. So 44,274. 44,274 we multiply by 1 plus by 2% to the power of n. This equal to 47,500. Okay, here is 44,274 multiplied by 1.02 to the power of n. This is 47,500. Okay, we can divide it by 44,274. Also 44,274. This cross. So this is 1.02 to the power of n. It is 47,500. We divide by 44,274. So this is 1.072. Okay, we can give it this way. Here is to the power of n. Okay, let's try it. So 1.02 to the power of 5. Let's say 1.02 to the power of 5 is equal to 1.104. So this is not. So let's make it 1.02 to the power of 4. So 1.02 to the power of 4. This is 1.082. Okay, let's say if this is 1.02 to the power of 3. So this is 1.02 to the power of 3 is 1.061. So this is not greater than 47,000. So here it is after 4 years. So 2015 plus by 4, this is gonna be 2019. Okay, in January 2020, the population of town was 5% more than its population in January 2008. Okay, in January 2021, the population of this town was 2% less than its population in January 2020. Calculate the overall percentage increase in the population from the January 2018 to 2021. So first, here is 5% more from 2018 to 2020. So 1 plus by 5%. Then we multiply it by, here is 2% less. So less is from the original 1. We minus it by 2%. So we got here 1 plus by 5%. This is 1.05. Next here 1. We minus it by 2%. So we got as 0.98. So we multiply 0.05. Okay. So we got as 1.029. Then we multiply it by 100%. So we got as 102.9%. Okay, from the original was 100. And then increase it to be 102.9%. This is the x. So x we got as 2.9%, the increase. So 2.9%, the increase of the population. Okay, number 2, we need to find the value of y when p equal to 3. We can just substitute y equal to, this is 3, x equal to, so this is 2 square plus by t equal to negative 13. Okay, go on. So this is 3, 2 square equal to 4 plus by negative 13. So this is 12 minus by 13. So it equal to negative 1. Okay, rearrange the formula to write x in terms of p, t, and y. So y equal to p x squared plus by t. So we minus it by t, both of sides. So you got y minus t equal to p x squared. So we divide by p, both of sides. So we got x squared equal to y minus t over p. Okay, get rid of the square. So we make it square root. So x equal to square root of y minus t divided by p. This is plus minus. So plus minus square root of y minus t over p. Factorize it. Okay, 15x squared minus by 2x and minus by a. Okay, here is we multiply 15 multiplied by 8. It's gonna be negative 120. Here is 2. Okay, can factorize it. AC 15 is negative 2, 120. What number can make it 120 divided by A? Okay, 120. What can make it 120? Let's start it with 10. So this is with 12. Here we go. We got it 10 and 12. So to make it negative, so here is gonna be negative. So 15x squared minus by 12x, and then plus by 10x, then we minus by 8. We factorize it. Here. So 15 and 12, we take it out 4x. So the remaining, not 4, I mean 3x. So the remaining is 5x minus by 4. Then 10x minus 8. Okay, 2. So here's gonna be 5x minus 4. Okay, the bracket are equal. So this is 3x plus 2 multiplied by 5x minus 4. So we got it. 3x plus 2 and then 5x minus 4 when we factorize it. Okay, solve the equation. So we got it, the factorize here. 3x plus 2 and then 5x minus 4. Make it equal to 0. So we got first 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then 3x equal to negative 2. Then x equal to negative 2 divided by 3 is negative 2 over 3. So first negative 2 over 3. Second one, we got 5x minus 4 equal to 0. We plus by 4 both of sides. So we got 5x equal to 4. Then we divide by 5 both of sides. So we got x equal to 4 over 5. Okay, see, factorize it completely. Okay, we got x. Then we can take it out. So this is x. Then x squared minus by 16 y squared. Here is perfect square. Like x squared minus it by 4y squared. So you got x. Here is x plus 4y and then x minus 4y. They are the perfect square. So the final answer is x and x plus 4y. We multiply by x minus 4y. Okay, the simplify. Okay, let's collect the term. 2x minus 1. Here is we can take out x. So this is 2x minus 1. Okay, here also 2x minus 1. Minus by, we can take it out here. 2. Here is gonna be 2a. Not 2a. We can take it out. Here is a. 2a. Here is 2x plus by, since this is negative sign, so we change it into negative 1. Okay, so here is 1, so 1 minus by 2a, then we multiply by the bracket, 2x minus 1, we divide by x, here is 2x minus 1. Okay, we got the common bracket, cross it, so the final answer is 1 minus 2a over x. So here 1 minus 2a over x. Yeah, there it is. Thank you.